Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're unboxing a package I got from the Key Company back in November. We've got Infinkey Blacklight, the extensions for Infinkey Blacklight, we've got Infinkey Comfy, and we've got the Morse Deskmat. So let's take a look over here at the product page for Infinkey Blacklight. Unfortunately, they've removed the product page for the Morse Deskmat as well as the Infinkey Comfy keycap set, so can't take a look at that. But let's check out Infinkey Blacklight. So this is the base keycap set here. There was also a alternate alphas, which I did not order. Kind of regret that now because that is a pretty cool font. But the extension kits or expansion kit is what I also ordered. Gives you a nice little collection of stuff. Plus, I just wanted that confused and that dazed keycap because those are pretty epic. So yeah, so as far as the other products, no product page for them anymore. So let's just hop into this box here. Oh, come on. And of course I put that away a little too soon. Let's see. All right. So, Deskmats. Extensions, Comfy, and Blacklights. Alright, so let's start out and check out Comfy. Honestly, I don't even remember what this keycap set looks like. I just happened to notice they had a bunch of extras on sale late night and kind of impulse bought it. So I'll admit, the box is kind of cute. Got little kittens on it, taking little naps there. So let's see what these keycaps look like. Come on. So they are pink with, I'm not sure what language that is, some kind of Asian sub-legends. Hopefully that doesn't come off as like culturally insensitive, but yeah. So let's take a zoom in here. So this is Comfy. It's kind of a peach, pinkish, and then you've got a dark bluish, grayish almost for your modifiers. There's also a light blue ISO enter, so I'm assuming there's an ANSI enter that is going to be that same light blue. Yep, and the space bars, you got some little cat keys here. Cool. Fun little keycap set. Hopefully we'll find something to put that on pretty soon. Maybe we'll put it on this NK87 because it looks like it might not clash too bad with the colors. Let's get this out of the way and check out Blacklight. Oh, what we got here? Thought that was a beard, but nope, that's just wild hair. So I don't know if kids even like know about Blacklight posters anymore. They were like a 70s thing, but they were kind of popular in the 90s when I was growing up as well. So this is meant to kind of remind you of the old school Blacklight posters. If you've ever been in any head shops and stuff, you've probably seen them around. I don't know if Spencer's Gift's still around. They used to have Blacklight posters. So let's see. So we've got, I don't know why I just zoomed out to zoom right back in. So this is a Infinkey Blacklight. It's got purple and a blue sub-legend, or not sub-legend, excuse me, blue legending on the modifiers. This is PBT sublimation, dye sublimation. Thank God the lid was on that bottle of water. And let's see. I really like the color on that enter there. It adds a nice little clash to it. Hopefully we've got something we can put this on soon. In the meantime, it'll sit with all the rest of the keycaps that I have that are just waiting for the appropriate board. So let's see. Let's check out the extensions. Get this out of the way for now. I did notice that Blacklight is currently marked down. I think I paid $120 for it. It is currently $90, so if you're looking to get it, cop it quick over on the Key Company while it is still available. The extensions. Let's see which side. Oh, that's upside down. So the extensions, they have a lot of green, which I really like that green. It's not quite a neon green, but against that black, it looks really good. So you've got a little peace sign, a little green alien. That's always cool. I'm a big fan of aliens. Got a yin yang, little smiley face, all the typical 70s counterculture symbols that you would expect to see on Blacklight posters and, you know, in the stoners domicile where they're hanging out, burning down, and just chilling in that cool Blacklight effect. Let's see if we can get this back in here. I'll set it to the side for right now. Let's zoom out so we can check out this desk mat. I did buy Morse back when it was in group buy. Passed on the desk mat, but I've since changed my mind and decided to pick it up. So did happen to catch this back when extras were available. Back in November, the Key Company made a lot of different extras available, so picked up quite a few of them. Samuel Morse from Morse Code, pretty cool guy. Look up on his history. He's got an interesting life story. But yeah, so it's basically black, and then it's got the orange, peachish orange color that is on the keycaps, and gray. It's typical, what's the word, incandescent light bulb there, but it spells out Morse in the filament of light bulb. So that's pretty cool. But I guess that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for hanging out. If you're new here, be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Appreciate each and every one of you checking out my videos. Hope to see you in the next one, and hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.